Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek yogurt salad, only way. Start by gathering thick Greek yogurt, cucumbers, fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and salt. Use full-fat yogurt for creaminess and strain if needed for extra thickness. Chop cucumbers finely and squeeze out excess water to prevent dilution. Mix garlic and lemon into yogurt before folding in cucumbers and herbs. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or oil to layer flavors gradually and taste as you go to balance creaminess and acidity. Start by zesting lemon, then squeeze fresh juice and mince garlic finely. Whisk yogurt with lemon and olive oil until smooth, then stir in herbs and cucumber. Chill salad for at least 30 minutes for flavors to meld. Serve with grilled vegetables, pita, or as a dip for crisp crudites. Adjust salt in small increments to avoid oversalting. Keep the yogurt thick by draining overnight in cheesecloth, which prevents watery texture and concentrates flavor. Add cucumber seeds removed for crunch control and use dill or mint for different herbal notes. Try adding roasted red peppers or olives for a savory twist, or cucumber and radish for extra crunch. For a lighter version, mix half yogurt with strained labneh or a touch of low-fat yogurt for texture and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.